Under the vast, bright blue canvas of a cheerful sky, a small, round creature named Pip, whose fur was as fluffy as a dandelion seed, gazed with wide, curious eyes at a distant, sparkling peak. This was the legendary Magic Mountain, a place whispered about in the rustling leaves and bubbling brooks, shimmering with an enchanting light that beckoned to the little adventurer's heart. Filled with an uncontainable sense of wonder and a thirst for discovery, Pip felt a pull towards the distant summit, a silent promise of secrets waiting to be unveiled. The air hummed with a gentle, inviting energy, and with a determined little nod, Pip knew that a grand journey was about to begin, a journey to touch the sky. With a joyful bounce in each step, Pip set off along a winding path unlike any other. The trail was marked not by stones or soil, but by a series of oversized, glowing mushrooms that pulsed with a soft, ethereal light, illuminating the way forward. Their caps, painted in vibrant shades of purple, pink, and turquoise, cast a magical glow upon the forest floor, transforming the familiar woods into a fantastical wonderland. Pip hopped from one radiant mushroom to another, the ground feeling springy and soft beneath tiny feet. Surrounding our little hero, a kaleidoscope of colorful butterflies fluttered and danced in the air, their wings like tiny stained glass windows catching the light, creating a living, breathing confetti that celebrated the start of this whimsical quest. The journey soon turned upwards, and Pip's path was now a towering, candy-striped vine that spiraled gracefully towards the sky. The vine, with its alternating bands of bright red and shimmering white, was sturdy and easy to grip, as if it were designed for a small creature's paws. Pip climbed with careful determination, ascending higher and higher past the fluffy white clouds that drifted lazily by. Eventually, the vine led to a serene, quiet ledge carved into the mountainside. This peaceful resting spot was adorned with clusters of softly chiming, sparkling crystals that tinkled with a delicate musical sound in the gentle mountain breeze, their facets catching the sunlight and scattering miniature rainbows all around. Finally, after a steady and spirited climb, Pip reached the very peak of the Magic Mountain. As our little adventurer stood at the summit, the mountain itself seemed to awaken from a long, peaceful slumber. A low, resonant hum filled the air, and from the heart of the peak, a dazzling, rainbow-colored aurora erupted, soaring high into the sky. It swirled and danced in brilliant ribbons of every imaginable color, a breathtaking spectacle of pure magic. Pip watched in silent, spellbound awe, feeling incredibly small, yet part of something immeasurably vast and beautiful, a moment of pure wonder that would be etched into memory forever. Back in a cozy little nook at home, Pip sat contentedly, a profound sense of peace washing over the fluffy creature. In one tiny paw, Pip held a small, glowing crystal, a precious memento from the mountain's summit that pulsed with a gentle, warm light, a constant reminder of the magic witnessed. As evening settled in and the stars began to appear in the night sky, Pip drifted into a peaceful sleep, dreaming not of the adventure just past, but of all the new and whimsical journeys that lay ahead, each one promising a new discovery and another touch of wonder.